Today we're going to review the Max Sports Heavy Duty Steel Frame Collapsible Folding Cart. This cart's designed to carry up to 150 pounds of weight, making it perfect for transporting camping gear, coolers, and other heavy items. It features a durable steel frame that's built to last, along with a sturdy fabric lining that can withstand the wear and tear of outdoor use. We put this cart to the test, using it for various outdoor activities including camping, picnics, and beach trips. We also use it to lug soccer equipment back and forth to our kids' matches. The main reason to get this type of cart is its collapsible design. It can be easily folded into a compact size, making it easy to store and transport when not in use. Additionally, it features oversized wheels that can handle rough terrain, ensuring that you can easily maneuver your gear across uneven surfaces. Its 600D polyester fabric is also easy to clean and maintain, ensuring that it will last for many outdoor adventures to come. It comes in 7 different colors and has a sturdy adjustable handle. When folded, it's 20 by 2 by 29.5 by 8 inches, and unfolded it expands out to 35.5 by 20.2 by 22.5 inches. It weighs 22.6 pounds. Overall, the Max Sports Heavy Duty Steel Frame Collapsible Folding Cart is a great investment for anyone who wants a reliable and versatile cart for their outdoor activities. We highly recommend it.